Until about a decade ago, the only bottle of red sauce you'd find on a table was ketchup. These days, there's a newcomer, Sriracha, and Jack is here to tell us all about Sriracha and which brand we should buy.
Yeah, this is a really interesting, distinctly American story.
Love it.
So there was a condiment from Thailand, it goes back to the 1930s. But the thing that we love here in the US started in Southern California back in the 80s. A single brand with the rooster on it, actually from a Vietnamese immigrant, David Tran. David was born in the year of the rooster. The name Hoi Fong is after the freighter that he left Vietnam on in 1978.
Gotcha.
And so it's been the standard, and it is everywhere. It's thick, so it stays on your food, kind of like ketchup, but it's hot,
Yes.
and it's garlicky, and then it's got that sweetness to balance all of that out, as opposed to like a Tabasco or other hot sauces. So we have lots of other brands that are now in the mix, and we've got some here for you to taste.
Okay.
I want you to go right in.
All right.
I've got some white rice in case you get too much heat.
So this has different kinds of heat here, so I should just scoop up a big spoonful and go for it?
Well, I think go for it. It's supposed to be hot. Some of the brands.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. I think the reason why this hot sauce has become so popular is that that sugar helps balance out all of that heat so that you can tolerate a more potent sauce.
Right.
So you're going to notice some minor differences in texture. Sriracha really should be smooth and thick. And if it's really loose and if it's coarse or grainy, that's not a good thing.
Right.
There are some brands that try to sort of up the game by putting other flavors in there, and for the most part, our tasters weren't all that thrilled.
What other flavors?
Fruity things. So we got some citrus notes or pineapple notes or bubblegum notes. That's never a good thing. One brand had anchovies, and so I love fish sauce, but this sauce should not taste briny or fishy.
Sure.
So, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. I did have to tuck in to the rice just so that I could actually taste one after the other.
Yeah, this is hard. The expert panel tasting, we went pretty slowly. Give your palate time to recover. I'm not giving you any, I mean, I'll talk a lot, but I can only talk for so long.
Well, this one is very, very spicy. I actually like it. It's a deeper flavor. It tastes familiar to me.
Okay.
This starts getting a little bit sweeter. Still has a nice texture. This one, I don't think I'm so keen on that. And there's little bits of things in it. It seems a little tinny.
Okay.
I would be happy with either of these two. I kind of like this one because I had a little bit of a cold and it just burst my sinuses right open. So I'm thinking that for medicinal purposes, it's perfect.
Well, you have done exactly what I thought you would do.
Which is?
Well, you chose the winner.
Oh, okay.
So that's good. You want to flip it over?
I do.
You also chose one that's really spicy.
Oh.
This is kikkoman. So most of the imitators, in the sense, the ones that have come after the original, we weren't that impressed with. This one, which is the winner, we thought was delicious. It's a little spicier than the original Hoi Fong. And we like that, and you like that. And I'm not surprised, because I know you like spicy food.
Love spicy food. And this one.
So this is the original. It was a close second. It was a runner-up. These two sauces are very similar. It's just kikkoman is a little spicier.
This one tasted familiar to me, and that's why. All right.
And this is the Lee Kum Ki. This is an example of one where it felt like they added additional flavors. Some of our tasters thought this was fruity tasting, which they didn't like.
Yeah.
It has some anchovies in it, which did not make a better sriracha.
It's getting hot in here, which I like. And if you want to buy our top winning sriracha, it's Kikkoman Sriracha Hot Sauce. It's $3.29 a bottle. Thanks, Jack.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.